In the age of hypersonic missiles and drone swarms, one Cold War relic is making a comeback. And no, it's not a fighter jet or a submarine. It's something stranger, an aircraft that doesn't quite fly and doesn't quite sail. In the 1980s, the Soviet Union built giant ekranoplanes, wing-in-ground effect WIG vehicles like the Caspian Sea Monster. They skimmed a few meters above the water, invisible to most radar, carrying massive missiles at blistering speeds. And then they vanished into history, until now. Enter the Taalaي, a cutting-edge AI-driven sea-skimming drone unveiled by the Turkish firm Solid Arrow that reimagines the legendary Soviet ekranoplan for the digital battlefield. No pilot, no massive hangar, just a stealthy, low-flying machine built for modern naval warfare. Flying barely 3 meters above the waves, Taalaي slips under most coastal radars, covering 200 kilometers at speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour. It can carry 30 kilograms, enough for a lightweight anti-ship missile or high-resolution surveillance gear. The drone's foldable wings and compact design enable rapid launch and recovery, while its modular approach means new sensors and munitions can be added as threats evolve. And thanks to AI, it can chart its own course, dodge obstacles, and adapt to changing weather, all without human intervention, day or night. While Soviet WIG monsters were intended to menace carrier groups with massive missiles, the Taalaي inverts the doctrine. It's not about a single powerful strike, but about overwhelming defenses, with many cheap and expendable platforms. Taalay's ultra-low flight profile allows it to dodge radar, skip over minefields, and operate in zones where traditional vessels or aircraft can't survive or can't risk going. A fleet of small, smart drones can threaten larger adversaries, spread confusion, or deliver reconnaissance and munitions at minimal cost. Imagine 50 Taalays converging from different directions on a destroyer's radar. Too low to see, too many to stop. But Turkey isn't alone in reviving the ekranoplan concept. China is field testing a massive manned WIG demonstrator in the Bohai Sea. Dubbed as the Bohai Sea Monster, the Chinese ekranoplan is designed for everything from rapid troop transport to anti-submarine patrol. The US, too, is experimenting with DARPA's Liberty Lifter, designed for heavy Pacific resupply. But while China's and America's projects remain experimental, Turkey's Taalaي is already prepping for sea trials, with production and first deliveries slated for early 2027. Turkey's rapid progress in this field highlights a larger trend: middle powers using innovative, networked technology to offset the dominance of traditional naval forces. Taalaay isn't about group size, it's about surprise, speed, and evolution. By 2026, as mass production ramps up, Ankara will have advanced from drone pioneer to global leader in operational sea-skimming platform. The legacy of the Cold War's sea monsters lives on, but with Turkey's Taalaay, it's been reborn for the AI age. Smarter, stealthier, and potentially game-changing for navies everywhere. In a world where billion-dollar warships are increasingly hunted by $50,000 drones, the Taalaay isn't just a weapon, it's a warning.